Now, in this lecture, we will understand the meaning of ICT. We will also throw light on the different components of ICT and its usage in different sectors of life. So, first of all, the meaning of ICT. ICT stands for ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. There is no single universal accepted definition of ICT. Information and Communication Technology is an extensional term for information technology. The term ICT refers to all the methods, tools, concepts related to storing, recording, and sending digital information. At the time of recording this video, we are making use of laptops, desktop computers. We are using camera for recording the video, and ultimately you will see this later on. And in the same process, in this process, you will make use of wireless or telephone lines, internet, all these devices, software and programs, or communication lines, communication system, all these constitute the term ICT. ICT refers to the use of technology for communication and to process information. ICT enables users to access, retrieve, store, transmit, and manipulate information in a digital form. Information can be recorded or stored in many ways. We can write the information on a piece of paper, or we may type the information by use of keyboard and so on. When we store the information and record the information on electronic devices, the information is said to be in digital form. Now, ICT device is a device that is used for processing, storing, and delivering information to others. Now, what are the components of ICT? ICT is formed of several different components, including hardware. Hardware is what? Which we can see, we can touch, we can. Hardware examples are computers, printers, and other physical technological devices are called hardware. Software is what? Which we cannot see or touch. These are operating systems or programs installed on ICT hardware devices. These are used, that is, meaning softwares are used to create files such as spreadsheets, text based documents, databases, and presentations. I, One of the components of ICT is communication systems. Communication system consists of telephone lines, wireless signals, which enable connections with other ICT users and the internet. One more component of ICT is online data sharing platforms. For example, we can use Skype, that is a video calling application, or we can share files on a cloud based system. To store data, we use many methods like writing on paper or recording, or we can type the content in digital format. All these are used to store data. Some data are stored in digital format in mobiles, computers, and other digital devices. These devices are called information communication technology devices. These are the examples of ICT devices. This is the computer and telephone which has been in use since long. Now, smartphones, and these type of devices, laser devices, smart watches, digital locks, CCTV cameras, and this is wearable cameras. These are the robots. These are the latest entries to the ICT devices. The list does not end here. There are large number of other ICT devices, and new inventions are taking place and come under coming under the list of ICT devices. Now we come to the usage of ICT in different sectors. Information and communication technology has changed our life a lot. Now we do not need to write letters, then go to the post office, and then the letter will reach to the other person after 2 or 3 days or after many days. Now we simply open our computer, we open Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or any other email platform, and we send the mail to the other person, which is instantaneously received by the person which may be living in any part of the world. Now, for purchasing something, we do not have to go to the market using bicycle, car, or any other motor vehicle. We can simply sit on our computer, or we can use our smartphone, and with the help of internet, we can go for online shopping. Further, there is change in the system of learning. We can learn a lot by sitting at home. Classroom learning has now given way to e-learning. We can make use of computers, and with the help of internet, we can learn a lot. A large number of courses are available online, which may be paid or may be free. Information technology has changed the whole world. Now it is being used in domestic activities. ICT also has its usage in education, health, commerce, social networking, agriculture, industries, defense, transport, and much more. In banking and finance, we use the information and communication technology for maintaining the records of people and for secure transaction of money. In the case of healthcare, we use ICT for research and development of health facilities. There is now no need to purchase newspaper in physical form. We can read our news, the local news or international news, on online newspaper. Now the computers are being used in each and every field of life. We can use computers for writing letters, editing videos, booking tickets, recording and storing of data, and much more. ICT is also being used in a large number of industries. It has increased the productivity of industries, and the ICT has also reduced the time required to achieve the desired goals. If a large number of persons were involved in producing a set of goods, now we can produce the same quantity of the goods with lesser number of persons and with the help of latest technology. Earlier, the smartphones were used for only for talking. Now, smartphone is used not only for talking, it is being used for a large number of purposes. We can use the smartphone for online purchasing, watching movies, making a video call, booking tickets, online classes, and much more. We are using smartphones for the purpose of Facebook, WhatsApp, and other purposes. TV and radio both are used as ICT tools. TV and radio are the easiest way to reach a large number of people at a time. We may also inform you that we have already uploaded a large number of courses like time management tips and how to manage stress in our life. We have also uploaded the course on present tense, past tense, future tense, and good communication skills are the key to success, cybersecurity, the common mistakes which we make while using English grammar, and then there are also many other courses which you can see on our own site and on many other sites on Google, YouTube, etc. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.